library friends, I'm Miss Vivian and welcome to Storytime. For today's program, I have stories about nature. Take a look outside and look at the beauty. Look at the trees, the flowers, the bugs, and much more. Before I share stories with you, let's sing our morning song. First, let's find our feet way down there. Next, find your shoulders. Find your ears. And find your head way at the top. Very good. Now let's begin. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet, and we'll stomp, stomp, stomp. Wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet in the morning. Wake up shoulders, wake up shoulders, wake up shoulders, and we'll tap, tap, tap. Wake up shoulders, wake up shoulders, wake up shoulders in the morning. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears, and we'll wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears, wake up ears in the morning. Wake up head, wake up head, wake up head, and we'll pat, pat, pat. Wake up head, wake up head, wake up head in the morning. Very good, library friends. Now let's sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, a mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. One more time. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, a mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Very good, library friends. Now on to our stories. With permission from Macmillan Publishers, I'm very happy to share with you Trillions of Trees. Will you spell the word trees with me? T-R-E-E-S. Trillions of Trees, a counting and planting book written and illustrated by Cyrus. In this story, a family orders a tree called a trillium. But on the other end, the owner of a plant business hears something different. Let's find out what the family ends up with. Trillions of Trees, a counting and planting book. And here is the dedication page. The author dedicates this book for my tree planting brother, Steve. And here's our first tree. We never meant to plant a tree. We wanted something small, a trillium, my sister said. And so she placed a call. I'd like to buy a trillium, please, said Lizzie to the man. He thought she said a trillion. That's a big number. He thought she said a trillion trees. That's how it all began. A trillion trees, the salesman said. We'll do our very best. I'll send 1,000 right away and order up the rest. And this is the name of the place, Polly's Plant Pavilion. They sell lots and lots of trees. Trees, trees, trees. They knocked us to our knees in boxes, bags, and burlap rags. Trees, trees, trees. Our shovel couldn't hack it. We bought a couple more, and then we started digging like we've never dug before. Dig, dig, dig. A filbert and a fig, a beech, a gum, a peach, a plum. Dig, dig, dig. We dug and dug. The ground was hard. We stuck 100 in our yard. Oh, library friends, when you check out this book, this would be a great counting activity. Trees, trees, trees. Another 100, please. All up and down the streets of town. Trees, trees, trees. A county park, the perfect place. We asked permission just in case. Along the trails and all around, another 100 in the ground. A park is a great place to find trees. Dig, dig, dig. These apple trees are big. An orchard goes for rows and rows. Dig, dig, dig. Plant a windbreak. Poplars, pines, stretch them out in perfect lines. Do you see the perfect lines? All the way back there too. Lots and lots of trees. Plant another 100 trees. Alder, ash, and willow, please. Shade a river, shade a pool. Fish prefer their water cool. Also good, cottonwood. The author names a lot of different trees in this story. Trillium, my sister cheers. I just groan and plug my ears. Look, library friends, she really likes her trillium. Here are more trees. Spruce and hemlock. Cedar too. A fir for her, a yew for you. And look, sequoia, these are great. They're tiny now. But just you wait. Sequoias are huge. Big trees. Chop the ground, pry it back, pull a seedling from your sack. One by one, the trees return to heal the scarring from a burn. They're working really hard to bring the trees back to this area. It takes a lot of teamwork. Here, the slope is very steep. Plant 100, not too deep. Mountain hemlock, sugar pine. Douglas fir is also fine. Hold, roots, hold. Keep the slope controlled. Grip that mud. Stop that flood. Hold, roots, hold. They build the soil, they clean the air, they work their wonders everywhere. Billions, trillions, trees galore, and thanks to us, 1,000 more. We're out of gas. The car is dead. We'll have to use our feet instead. Ow, ow, ow. We're bruised and blistered now. Our knees are weak. Our elbows creak. Ow, ow, ow. A truck is in the driveway. It's Polly's plant pavilion. Grab a tree. It's going to be a long way to a trillion. But you know, library friends, they are off to a great start. And right here at the back, they have a few more things to say. There are more than 3 trillion trees in the world. When should you plant a tree? Late fall or early spring are best for planting trees. Dig wide so the roots have room. A lot of people plant their trees too deep. There's a bristlecone pine that's more than 5,000 years old. Tree takes CO2 out of the air and put oxygen back in. Little trees get thirsty. Give them water. Always locate underground utilities before you dig. What do you call the skin of a tree? Bark! And that's the end of Trillions of Trees, a counting and planting book written and illustrated by Cyrus. Thank you, library friends. When you're out and about, take a look around you and look at all the trees. Do you have a favorite tree? Now here's my little brown bunny with a big white fluffy tail. This brown bunny was out for a hop. He was so happy he decided to stop. He saw some grass and loved the scene. He looked at his tail and it turned green. This brown bunny was out for a hop. He was so happy he decided to stop. He ate 1 berry and then ate 2. He looked at his tail and it turned, what color is that? Blue. This brown bunny went out for a hop. He was so happy he decided to stop. He saw a friend and he said hello. He looked at his tail and it turned yellow. Oh, brown bunny. This brown bunny went out for a hop. He was so happy he decided to stop. With all these colors, he didn't know what to think. He looked at his tail and it turned pink. This brown bunny went out for a hop. He thought about all these colors and decided to stop. So he hopped and hopped with all his might. He wriggled his tail, wriggle, 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 and it turned white. Very good, library friends. Now let's say goodbye to our brown bunny. Bye-bye, brown bunny. Bye-bye, brown bunny. Bye-bye, brown bunny. We'll see you next time. Hop, hop. We'll see you next time. Hop, hop. Thank you, library friends. Now on to our next story. With permission from Macmillan Publishers, I'm very happy to share with you. Wow, said the owl. A book about colors, written and illustrated by Tim Hopgood. At night, when we are feeling tired and ready for bed, owls are just waking up. Owls live in a nighttime world. They have eyes that can see in the dark. Cover your eyes. Oh, it's dark there. Now lift your hand. Cover your eyes. Oh, it's dark. Okay, lift your hand again. But this little owl was a curious owl. Instead of staying awake all night, as little owls are supposed to do, she took a long nap and woke up just before dawn. "Wow," said the owl. She couldn't believe her eyes. The sky was a warm and wonderful, what color is this? Pink. "Wow," said the owl, as the yellow sun shone through the morning mist. What color is the sun? Yellow. Very good. "Wow," said the owl, as white fluffy clouds floated across the bright blue sky. What color are the clouds? White. Very good. Will you count the clouds with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, library friends. "Wow," said the owl, when she saw that the leaves on her tree were green. Some leaves are dark green, some leaves are light green. "Wow," said the owl, as the pretty red butterflies flew by. She watched them land on the bright orange flowers, which opened up in the warm sunshine. Will you count the butterflies with me? 1. Can you find another one? 2. Good. Can you find another one? Here's one. 3. Good. And there's number 4. I see 4 butterflies landing on the beautiful orange flowers. Up in the sky, the clouds turned gray, and it started to rain, but the sun was still shining. The clouds used to be white, and now they're gray. "Wow," said the owl, as a rainbow of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet filled the sky. Do you like this rainbow, library friends? It's beautiful, isn't it? The little owl sat happily in her tree and watched as the sun went down and the moon came up. The daytime is full of beautiful colors, she thought. "But wow," said the owl, "the nighttime stars are the most beautiful of all." Too excited to sleep, the little owl stayed awake all night long, just like little owls are supposed to do. And right here at the back, you'll see the colors. All these wonderful colors can be found in this book. Look through the pages and see if you can find them. And that's the end of "Wow," said the owl, a book about colors written and illustrated by Tim Hopgood. Now let's sing a song about the twinkly stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Very good, library friends. Now on to our last story. With permission from Simon & Schuster, I'm very happy to share with you Diggin! Written by Cindy Jenson-Elliott and illustrated by Mary Peterson. What will they dig into? Let's find out. I dig in the dirt and find a worm. When you touch a worm, is it hard or is it soft? Worm wiggles, wiggles. I dig in the dirt and find a rock. Is a rock soft or hard? Rock sits. I dig in the dirt and find a pill bug. A pill bug, it's not big, but it's very small. Is a pill bug soft or hard? Pill bug curls. I dig in the dirt and find a seed. Oh, this little bird likes looking at the seed too. What will happen to the seed? Seed waits. I dig in the dirt and find a spider. How many legs does a spider have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Spider runs. I dig in the dirt and find a sprout with water and sunshine and lots and love and care. The seed now has a sprout. A sprout grows. I dig in the dirt and find dirt. Dirt squishes. Then I water the dirt and find mud. M-U-D. Put all of the letters together. Mud. And that's the end of Diggin', written by Cindy Jenson-Elliott and illustrated by Mary Peterson. Thank you, library friends. Now remember the spider in the story. Let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Very good, library friends. Thank you. Now let's sing another song before we end our program. If you're happy and you know it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet way down there. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray! Very good, library friends. Now, if you'd like to enjoy these stories again, please visit our website and reserve all the wonderful stories that we have today. And we have so much more at the library. You are welcome to visit the libraries now. Central Library, Montrose Library, and Brand Library. 3 libraries are currently open. Please visit our website for more information and for our library hours. The Summer Reading Challenge continues and will end at the end of August. We have ongoing programs like our virtual performances, the Summer Reading Challenge, keep track of all the books that you're reading. We have 1,000 books before kindergarten, 500 books before high school, and we have activity kits for you to take home. These activity kits are for preschoolers and for students up to the 8th grade level. All of our information is on our website. You can also give us a call at the library or maybe chat with a library staff member. Just find that information on our website. Thanks again for joining me today, and take care.